You're just gonna love watching this video today because it is packed with a whole lot of information. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I use two powerful natural ingredients to grow my hair. I'm also gonna show you how I safely take down my 3-month-old braids, preventing hair breakages, tangling, all using natural ingredients. And also the new growth. When chemicals damaged my hair and I had to do the big chop, I was struggling to grow my hair. My hair was breaking and thinning out. But after discovering natural ingredients and using them the right way, now my hair is fuller, thicker, and more beautiful. And today is one of such videos. So make sure you're watching to the end and you're not skipping any part of it. Let's do this. Alright, so these are my braids. They've been in for about 3 months. I had to do the front part 2 months ago. So I would say the front part is 2 months old and the rest of the hair is 3 months. And you can see the new growth. But today I'm going to show you how I safely take down these hair without experiencing so much hair breakages. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're one of my returning subscribers, you know how much I appreciate the love and support. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. And if you're stopping by for the first time, thank you for clicking on this video. In today's video, one of my natural ingredients is rosemary. Feel free to use the dry rosemary or the fresh ones. Rosemary is really great when it comes to hair growth. It stimulates new healthy hair growth by improving the blood circulation in your scalp. Rosemary herbs can also prevent hair loss, hair shedding, and also hair thinning. So I used about 1 tablespoon of my rosemary herbs. The next natural ingredient I'm going to add is my lavender flowers or the lavender pops. Lavender flowers, when added to your hair care regimen, can stimulate new healthy hair growth. It is also soothing to the scalp, so it's going to prevent scalp issues like dandruff or itchiness. And this is how the package looks like. I got it from Amazon, so feel free to purchase one. It does amazing work when it comes to hair growth. I added about 2 tablespoons of my lavender flowers into my mason jar. And at this point, I'm going to tap it with hot water and allow it to sit in the water for about 30 minutes or till it cools down. And here you are. If you're still watching me to this point and haven't shown your girl some love, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these using natural ingredients, you will always be notified. On this channel, I teach you how to grow your hair faster using natural ingredients. Ingredients you can even find in your own kitchen. I also teach you how to care for your hair. So it's always jamming on here. So make sure to join us. And guess what? I just love to read your comments. So leave me a comment in the section below and I will make sure to reply to you. Do not also forget to share this video with your loved ones, your family, and also on your social media platforms. So at this point, my recipe is all cooled down and I'm going to strain it. And this smells amazing. I just love how it smells, guys. You need to give this a try. Just the smell is just soothing to the body. And applying it on your scalp is going to do amazing work on your hair. So I'm going to transfer into my applicator bottle to make the application much easier. And after transferring into my spray bottle, I'm going to add my conditioner. Feel free to add any leave-in conditioner of your choice. So I'm adding some leave-in conditioner directly into the bottle. Then after that, I'm going to shake it and make sure it is really mixed in. This recipe is really powerful. But the only thing is you have to know the right way to use it in order to reap out all the benefits. Otherwise, you'll be wasting your time. But guess what? I'm going to show you the best way to use this recipe to boost your hair growth and also how I use it to safely take out my braids without experiencing so much hair breakages. So make sure you're watching to the end and you're not skipping any part of it. Alright, so I just didn't want to bore you with the takedown process. So I did most of the takedown off camera. But I'm going to show you how I did it. So I use my fingers to feel where my natural hair is coming off or out of my braids. Then once I'm able to find it, I just move a little further from my natural hair and I cut the braid down. Then after that, I spray the braid with my recipe. Because of the leave-in conditioner and the natural ingredients put together, it makes my hair really soft, so it does not experience a lot of breakages. It also serves as a pre-poo that will treat your scalp before your wash day, and this will give way to new healthy hair growth. And guess what? We shed hair every day, and all this shedded hair accumulates with your natural hair, and you need recipes like these when you're taking them down so you do not break more hair. Also, the products we put in our hair cause a whole lot of products build up. And when you are taking it down, you really need to be gentle and use recipes like this to be able to take them down safely. And after that, use your white tooth comb to comb it to make the tangling much easier. Then after that, I add it to my other hair that I've already detangled. I have a video on how I take care of my hair when it's braided, and I'm going to leave the link in the description box, so make sure to stop by to watch it. And hey beautiful people, it will mean a lot to me if you can give this video a thumbs up if you haven't done so already. And also if you are new here, I would love for you to join us by clicking on the subscription button and also clicking on the bell notification. I would love to read your comments, so leave me a comment in the section below and I will make sure to reply to you. Share this video with your friends and your families as well as on your social media platforms. Okay, so if I have my hair tangled like so, I gently pull out the braids. Then after that, I use my fingers to separate my natural hair. Because of the recipe that I put in my hair is really soft and very easy to separate. It takes out all the buildups and makes it much easier to detangle. Guys, whenever you are taking down your cornrows or your braids, make sure you are not taking them down when it is still dry, because doing that, you're going to experience so much hair breakages and all the new growth that you have experienced will come up to nothing. So make sure you learn the right way to take down your braids or your protective hairstyle so you do not lose so much hair. Alright guys, listen to this part, is really important. Leaving your braids in or your cornrows in for so long is not ideal for every hair type. You really have to know your hair type in order to know the best way to grow it. Some people, when they leave their braids in for a long time, they tend to lose so much hair, and others, because it's less manipulation, they tend to grow much hair. So you will have to know your hair type in order to know the best way to grow it. But I can say for sure natural ingredients have helped me grow my hair much faster, and also good hair care routines like these have also contributed to my healthy hair growth. So guys, if you've been following me on this channel for some time now, you can say for sure my hair has really improved when it comes to growth. It is much thicker and fuller and more beautiful. And I share all the tips I use to grow my hair on this channel. Do not play with it. Just find one natural ingredient or recipe that your hair loves and stick to it. And I promise you are going to experience a lot of growth. Also try to prevent your hair from breaking by following some of my hair care routines and also using some of the natural ingredients I always show you on this channel, because the only way you can experience growth is to preventing hair breakages. Thank you for stopping by to watch this video today. I hope you have already given this video a thumbs up, and if you are new here, I know you have subscribed and clicked on the bell. But before leaving, click on the video you see on your screen right now to watch other ways to grow your hair. Bye.